Hey guys, so it is the next day. We spent last night just getting the shower pan put in and getting the FRP put up, and then we put in some bracing mechanisms that we kind of just jimmy rigged together to make sure that the walls stayed on. And today I'm going to take the outside wall here and the one on the other side and get them painted so we can get those attached.
Nervous.
We gotta get it undid. Me painting isn't nearly as interesting as you drilling a hole in the van. Ken is drilling a hole for our water inlet. This will allow us to attach a hose to either fill our freshwater tank, or he set it up so we can also just run water straight into the van.
This drill bit sucks.
There's a hole.
It's a hole. See why I put the tape right here? Catches all the metal shavings.
Ah, nice. Here you see a blue PEX tubing. We used 1/2-inch PEX for all of our plumbing in the entire van, which I think is pretty common, and it worked really, really well. Tell me about what you've done here, please.
Do you want to explain?
Sure. So we are trying to figure out how to use our mixer, and we wanted to do a demo before we just go putting holes in our FRP that we just got put together last night and screw it all up. So we put a hole in here, and we got the mixer part. So we put that through the back, like so. And then you just take the plate and put it on top, making sure that the cold and the hot and on and off are all lined up properly. And then you take a screw. Oh, this one? Well, how was I supposed to know?
That was the test hole.
Oh, okay, so
I had
anyway.
to drill a hole big enough to get those screws in.
Oh,
So there's room to screws in.
gotcha. Okay, so now there's room in the hole. I didn't actually do this the first time, so I'm just the explainer. Okay, so then we put the screw in. What is it going to?
She was not prepared for this. Here. Switch me.
He told me to do it.
This piece comes off. These have to attach right here.
Let me get her up close. I thought it's funny.
There's 4 screw holes, 2 have screws to hold it in place. Stick it through. That.
So where's the screw going to on the back?
Right here.
Oh, to the one that you didn't use the first time?
Yep, there's 4 total, 2 are unused. And then it should just snug tight. So this is our demo for a shower before we start cutting holes in there. This little guy goes on here.
I did drop that, like...
We've dropped that a lot.
It's gotta go up, up, up. It's gotta go up. He wasn't prepared for this at all. Demo complete. Oh wait, show him how it tightens the handle on.
In the back, you're gonna have your hot, cold. This will go to the shower faucet. This we won't use because this is for a bathtub. If you go down to the spout, and then Show them how what?
Show them how you tighten the handle on. Some people don't know. A little screw under there. You can see where the screw goes in, and there's a little hole right there. So that's how you tighten it on.
Just like with curtain rods.
It has to go up though.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter.
So normal shower is about 46 inches, but I think we'll do not that tall. I think you should just eyeball. We'll just go stand in there.
46.
Yeah, so normally it'd be like right by here.
Alright guys, we are back today working on the shower, and we are going to be cutting the hole for the shower mixer, which is very nerve-wracking because getting this FRP on was not easy, and now we have it on. We're going to drill a hole in it, and so we really don't want to mess it up, but we have practiced a couple times on plywood and we think we have it right, so we are ready to drill the hole.
Ready?
Oh, you don't know. There it is. A hole in our fine work that we did. We just got the mixer on, and we did that by doing the exact same thing we showed you that we did on the trial piece of plywood. So all we did was put the screws in from this to this, and then the screws that go here into this piece. It's gotta go up. It's gotta go up. And I'm putting on the mixer handle. This is an exciting moment here.
Looks like an Allen wrench.
We also went to Home Depot and got this arm and another piece, but we're not entirely sure because of the thickness of the wall how we're gonna get it on there, so we gotta do some planning because it's gotta be mounted kind of on something back here, so we have to make it a little wider. And this is actually sticking out farther than the wall, so we're gonna have to figure that out as well. I'm just getting some tape on the threads, and we use some pliers to get shark elbows to be facing downward, so we can then connect our pipes that are going to be coming up into the shower so they can be into the mixer properly. We had to take it off to do that. We put it on and forgot that we had to turn the elbows, so we had to take it back off. So now we're going to put it back on.
Get closer on the shower project here. Head mixer all installed. And still working on the back here. Just scrubbing this piece here. It's hard to see. That mixer. Just gotta run my PEX hot and cold down to here, where I'll connect and then one day try it out and see if it all works.
So we're cutting out notches in the shower pan for these trim pieces.